Alex, a thin teenager with tangled hair and torn sneakers, shivered beneath his threadbare jacket. His backpack, patched and faded, contained all his possessions: some granola bars, a notebook, and a battered phone. Hunger gnawed at him, but he clung to hope, watching strangers hurry by, umbrellas bobbing like jellyfish in the evening gloom. Alex ducked into the library, escaping the relentless drizzle. He scanned the shelves, drawn to books about entrepreneurship and technology.
Maybe there's a way out of this.
He whispered, determination flickering in his eyes as he scribbled ideas into his notebook, heart pounding with a strange sense of purpose. Alex spent his last few coins on computer time, researching scholarships and free coding boot camps. He emailed organizations, applied for part-time work, and posted questions on forums.
If I can just get one chance, I won't waste it.
He told himself, eyes fixed on the screen as night deepened outside. Maya, supportive roommate, upbeat and resourceful, entered, carrying 2 mugs of tea.
You work harder than anyone I know, Alex. That pitch contest tomorrow. You're going to crush it.
She encouraged. Alex smiled, nerves and excitement at colliding as he rehearsed his business idea. Hands trembling slightly over the keyboard. Alex stood center stage, voice steady as he explained his app for connecting homeless youth with resources and mentorship. The judges nodded, impressed by both his passion and his story.
I know what it means to have nothing,
He said, eyes shining.
but I also know what it means to fight for every opportunity.
Alex, now confident and sharply dressed, closed a video call with investors. He glanced at the framed photo from his first night off the streets, a reminder of how far he'd come.
We can change lives, because someone changed mine.
He said, smiling as his team cheered in the background, the future bright ahead.